Hi. Good, good. And you? Happy Valentine's Day to you too. Yeah. Okay, Sabbir. So let's go to the thing. So what do we need to clarify? Do you want to share your screen or do you want me to share mine? No, no, mine. My company. Let me share with you. One second. Sorry. Are you seeing now? What are you seeing now? Are you seeing the website now? Or no? No? I don't know what I did. You can share if you want because I don't know the window, the tabs. I get very confused. So go ahead. That's the website. Mhm. I would like to keep this somehow, that calculator that you see over there. Uh, Okay, no worry about that. That section, yes. I think I have the code. I think I have the code, so that won't be a problem. That was, yeah. Well, okay. Here is the thing. On where? No, no. That option is not possible. Okay. We don't want that option because we have clients coming to the website, and that's why we have a big hosting and several domains where we can work in the back end. Make sense? Yeah. So let me share with you now, so I can give you access. I can show you the. Here. Hold on. Okay. Hosting. I can give you access, and you can create it there, or in a domain that we have here that we're not using, as I said here. Are you familiar with SiteGround? Okay, so what do you need me to? What do you need from me now? You need website access. What for? The section code, I can send it to you. If that's what you need. What else do you need? Anything else? Okay, so may I have your email so we can communicate? I don't communicate through freelance, so if we can, are you on Google Meet or no?